Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical spray foam insulation, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from spray foam insulation, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best spray foam insulation from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ixirpro Spray Foam Insulation Kit, Expanding Sealant, Mega Size, Closed Cell Spray Foam Heat Acoustic Insulation 12-pack. Looking for the best spray foam insulation solution? Check out the ixirpro Spray Foam Insulation Kit Mega Size 12-pack. Designed for maximum heat and sound insulation, this powerful closed-cell polyurethane foam is compatible with a wide range of materials including metal, concrete, drywall, and more. The kit includes 12 cans of expanding spray foam, a precision spray gun, multiple nozzles, cleaner, safety gear, and gloves. Everything you need for a pro-level job. Perfect for sealing walls, floors, ceilings, and even vehicles or boats. ixirpro delivers quick curing, smooth coverage, and long-lasting durability. For best results, spray from 25 to 30 centimeters for even application. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, this kit is ideal for large projects and tough insulation needs. Trim and shape after curing for a clean finish. Say goodbye to heat loss and noise. ixirpro is your go-to for the best spray foam insulation performance indoors and out. Number 2. Akfix Thermcoat Spray Foam 480 board feet, insulation for walls and attic, gun cleaner included, 24-pack set. Discover the best spray foam insulation solution with the Akfix Thermcoat Spray Foam 480 board feet kit 24-pack set. Engineered for superior heat and sound insulation, this closed-cell polyurethane foam features an R value of 5.66 and bonds strongly to wood, metal, drywall, and more. Whether you're working on walls, attics, RVs, boats, or basements, this kit delivers professional-grade results with ease. Each pack includes specialized nozzles for vertical and sealing applications, plus a foam gun cleaner for convenience. Quick curing and paintable, Akfix Thermcoat ensures a secure, airtight seal that won't warp windows or doors. Its innovative formula is Class A fire rated, adding safety to performance. Spray from 12 to 18 inches, vertically, or 6 to 8 inches horizontally for best results. Designed for both pros and DIYers, this 24-pack covers up to 480 board feet. Ideal for large-scale projects. For fast, effective, and reliable insulation, Akfix Thermcoat is your best choice for top-tier spray foam insulation performance. Number 3. Kraken Bond Fast Coat Spray Foam, Cell Expanding Polyurethane Foam, Heat and Acoustic Insulation, 12-pack. Looking for the best spray foam insulation for heat and sound control? Meet the Kraken Bond Fast Coat Spray Foam Insulation 12-pack. Your all-in-one solution for professional-grade thermal and acoustic insulation. Made with high-performance polyurethane, this Class A fire-rated foam meets ASTM E84 standards for added safety. It offers an impressive R value of 5.66 per inch, making it ideal for attics, walls, basements, boats, and more. The kit includes 12 cans, an ergonomic spray gun, foam cleaner, safety goggles, gloves, and a protective suit. Everything you need for immediate application. Its dual nozzle system ensures complete coverage for both vertical and sealing surfaces, sealing out pests, drafts, and moisture. Eco-friendly and designed for extreme durability, Kraken Bond works effectively in temperatures from 103 to 239 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, warm cans to 68 degrees Fahrenheit before use. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this kit offers powerful, long-lasting results. Choose Kraken Bond for the best in spray foam insulation performance and safety. Number 4. ixirpro Spray Foam Insulation Self-Expanding Polyurethane Foam Closed-Cell Heat Insulation Spray 24-pack. Experience the best spray foam insulation with the ixirpro Spray Foam Insulation 24-pack, designed for top-tier thermal and acoustic performance. This closed-cell polyurethane foam offers an impressive R-value of 5.66 per inch, covering up to 480 square feet with just one kit. Ideal for walls, ceilings, attics, RVs, and more, ixirpro forms a continuous, airtight barrier that seals out air, moisture, and pests while lowering energy bills by up to 60%. The eco-friendly HFO blown formula has zero ozone depletion potential, making it safe for both your home and the environment. Engineered for durability, it withstands extreme temperatures from -86°F to 176°F and adheres to most building materials. The kit includes 24 cans, 2 cleaners, 1 application gun, 24 straws, 24 red nozzles, goggles and gloves, everything you need for an efficient insulation job, and 40% plus humidity. Choose ixirpro for the best in high-performance, long-laddering spray foam insulation. Number 5. Stanley Supercoat Spray Foam Insulation Closed-Cell Spray Foam covers up to 240 square feet, including gun, cleaner, safety items. Looking for the best spray foam insulation for your next project? Meet the Stanley Supercoat Spray Foam Insulation Kit, designed for high-performance thermal and sound insulation in homes, vehicles, and marine applications. This advanced polyurethane foam delivers a powerful R-value of 5.66 per inch, covering up to 240 square feet at just 1 inch thickness. Whether you're sealing attics, basements, crawl spaces, or structural surfaces like concrete, wood, or brick, Stanley provides a seamless, monolithic barrier that outperforms traditional materials like EPS, XPS, and glass wool. The dense closed-cell formula resists air, moisture, pests, and even prevents thermal bridging. Certified with a Class A fire rating, ASTM E84, it's safe for both residential and commercial use. Easy to apply, the kit includes a spray gun, cleaner, gloves, goggles, and more. Perfect for pros and DIYers alike. For durable, efficient, and safe insulation, Stanley Supercoat delivers the best results every time. Insulate smarter, not harder. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.